Hello everyone, today I would like to present you my new pattern that I designed for this crochet unicorn little baby comforter, and also using the same pattern you can create this toy. I will just explain how to make them into possible ways. So I use the same pattern for both, but for this one I used the thicker yarn Barbante, that it's much thicker, and for the small one I used normal cotton. So you see is much thicker, the blue one. So for the blue one I use 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, and for the white one I use 2 millimeter crochet hook. So as you can see, the size is different. This one I used for the baby comforter, so you can use for the little ones. This one I think for the bigger ones. So basically you must crochet the head with the increases in the bottom and decreases, and just the eyes. You can add of course the nose or other parts. The ears, just I also make a magic ring and crochet then in around the cone. You can make as many spirals as you want. For the body I crochet rectangular, sew the corners of it together and create the body, and then I crochet the tummy and the feet. This one is also rectangular. I just didn't put the fiber, hollow fiber inside the baby comforter. I kept it free and empty. And for the legs I just crochet shorter, so the corner I sew them less. Here the legs are bigger because I sew them until the very end here, and here just half of it. Just sew the corner like this, and then so if you take a rectangular, you just crochet the sorry, not crochet, sew the corners. And then you crochet the tummy. The tummy depends how much is your hole. You can crochet the oval, and here I use same pattern, but here I chain less because the hole is smaller if you have bigger legs, because mostly you sew together. If you sew less, it means the hole will be bigger and the oval must be bigger, so you chain a bit more. And you can make the feet as you want. Then you just attach the head and the unicorn is ready. It's very easy. You can make it in one day, because if you work on it at least, like, I would say 2-3 hours, I guess, based on your speed, it can be done. Then you can have a little tail here. If you want to, you can keep it even without tail. The same spirals, 3 single crochet or 3 double crochet into each stitch, and it creates the spiral. So the horn is worked in back loop only, and spiral you can use any yarn. This one are much thinner, so if you have thinner you can work with 3 double crochet into each stitch. If you have a bit thicker yarn, you can work 3 single crochet. So the thinner is your yarn, you can work based on they're all different yarns, but they look similar, because for this one I use double crochet, half double or single. So if I used the same that I used for the body, I would use single crochet. So it all depends on your personal choice. The hair you can, the mane it's called, right? You can make as you wish to. So if you want a detailed written pattern, you can buy from me on the link in the description. If not, you just crochet, as I told you, rectangular, sew the corners, make the tummy, and attach the head, and you will get this lovely cute, really cute, cannot express how cute is this toy that can stand actually, and yeah, can stand and can stand in this position, maybe not the best position, but it wants to hug you. That's the idea of the toy, that it wants to hug you. You can put the wire inside so you can be like more foldable, and you can use small magnets here to keep him the hands in this position. It all depends as you prefer. So I hope you like this pattern. If you want to have a fully detailed video, because together with the written pattern comes the fully detailed video where I show you stitch by stitch how to make this unicorn. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.